one place like this, right, we never say goodbye. Now it's not later to say excuse for mistakes that we done here, that we are gonna do here, and we still doing. Never is late to say excuse, and never is late to say thank you. That's why today, with my left hand here, with my right hand in my heart, I'm gonna say excuse, and I'm gonna say thank you for a nice day. Thank you to help to me. Thank you, Mama, Pachamama, Universe. Thank you, mountains. We never say goodbye, and we are gonna say see you later, or see you in the next life.
All right, we are off to our charity trip. So we worked real hard this year. We wanted to make sure that we gave back. We're going to be helping out a school. What's crazy is they hadn't even opened the schools for the last 2 years. So kids lost 2 years of education.
So GlobalWare is a U.S.-based 501c3 nonprofit charity. We're also a Canadian-based charity, and we're really all about having fun, helping people.
My name's Kenny. I'm here with Homenerds.
Hey guys, my name's Sawyer Farrell.
My name is Chris Miles.
Hi, I'm Bella with Simple Solar.
It's Ryan. We are building a dam for the water tower.
My name's Clinton Ehrlich. I am with Quativa.
Jonathan, I'm with Atlantic Key Energy.
What up everyone, it's your boy T-Seg.
All right, so the charity trip is concluding, day 3 here. We built some trenches for the water tower. We rebuilt these stairways. We put some nets on the goals, repainted the fence. A ton of work done over these last 3 days, and it's about to be the most rewarding part right now. We got about 200 hee-haws and hee-hos, little niños and niñas coming in. But yeah.
You see the conditions that these guys are in, it's going to be such a life-changing experience for them to show up to this school after COVID, and they're going to have an amazing facility. And it's because of our hard work and the countless sponsors that have come together to make this event possible. Thank you guys so much. It's been a pleasure. The views, the city, the culture, it's been amazing. And I just want to thank you guys so much and appreciate everything you guys have been doing so far. Let's keep it up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.